And welcome to Digital Insight, the podcast where we explore how technology creates our everyday lives. I'm your host, Ong, and today we will study into two tools, learning management systems and content management system. With me today is our tech enthusiast, Yuri, and of course, our fun-loving entertainer, Chuan. Welcome, team.
Thanks, Ong. I'm excited to break down these tools and why they are so crucial in today's digital landscape.
And hey, I'm here to keep things light because, let's face it, acronyms like LMS and CMS can sound a bit intimidating, right?
So, Yuri, let's start with the basics. What exactly is e-learning? Exactly, but don't worry, we will make it easy to understand. Today, we will focusing on two popular platforms, Coursera as our LMS and Wix as our CMX. So, let's dive in.
E-learning or electronic learning is the use of digital technologies to deliver educational content. It can range from online courses on platforms like Coursera to corporate training programs or even mobile apps for learning new skills.
So, it's like having a classroom in your pocket, minus the chalkboards.
Exactly. E-learning makes education more accessible, flexible, and personalized. You can learn anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a device and internet access.
To kick things off, Yuri, could you explain what LMS and CMS are for our listeners?
Sure, LMS or Learning Management System are platforms designed to deliver, manage, and track online learning. Coursera is a great example. It offers courses from top universities and institutions globally. On the other hand, CMS or Content Management System help users create, manage, and publish content on websites without needing advanced coding skill. Wix is the leading CMS, known for its drag and drop simplicity.
So, LMS is like your online classroom and CMS is like your online art studio.
That's one way to look at it. LMS focus on education, while CMS focus on building and managing websites.
Talk about the history of these tools. How did they come about?
LMS emerged in the 1990s as the internet grew. Early platforms like Blackboard paved the way for modern solutions like Coursera, which launched in 2012 to democratize access to high-quality education. CMS had roots in early 2000s. Wix started in 2006 and revolutionized web design by making it accessible to non-coders. Today, it powers millions of websites globally.
Ah, the 2000s. A time when MySpace was still a thing. We have come a long way.
Now, what are the pros and cons of these platforms?
Let's start with Coursera. For the advantage, it access to world-class content, flexible learning schedules, and certification that boost career prospects. For the disadvantage, some courses can be pricey and completion rates for MOOCs, which is massive open online courses, are often low. So, for weeks, what are the advantage and disadvantage? For the advantages, it is user-friendly, highly customizable, and offers hundreds of templates. For the disadvantages, it has limited scalability for large websites and reliance on premium plans for advanced features.
So it's like this. Coursera might leave you with unfinished homework and Wix might charge you for the fancy decorations. Got it.
Exactly, Trent. It's about choosing what aligns with your goals and budget.
Analogy, Yuri, help us break it down. What influences a developer decision?
Great question. Let's start with the first factor, ease of use. A CMS should be intuitive enough for non-technical users, but still provide advanced tools for developers. For example, Wix is perfect for beginners with its drag and drop builder.
So it's like self-checkout lane at a grocery store, easy for everyone to use, unless the scanner breaks.
Exactly. Now, the second factor is scalability. Developer needs a CMS that can grow with the business. Let's say a small blog turns into an e-commerce store. A scalable CMS like WordPress can handle the shift, thanks to plugins like WooCommerce.
Good point. What about customization?
Customization and flexibility are huge. Developers love CMS platforms that allow coding or advanced plugins. Wix, for example, is easy to use, but WordPress offers more customization for developers who knows their ways around code.
If you are the kind of person who likes building IKEA furniture with extra parts, WordPress is your jam.
Alright, what else is on a developer checklist?
Two other key factors. Firstly, cost. Some CMS platforms are free, like WordPress, while others, like Wix, require premium plans for advanced features. Developer must balance budget with functionality. Second, SEO features. A good CMS helps websites rank well on search engine. Wix has built-in SEO tools, but WordPress offers more advanced options with plugins like Yoast.
So, you're telling me the CMS you pick could decide whether people find your site or it stays in the Google abyss.
Pretty much. A strong CMS with SEO tools can make big difference in visibility.
Interesting. Any last factors developer should consider?
Yes, security and community support. Developer needs a CMS with regular updates to protect against cyber threats. A strong community like WordPress has also means access to forums and help when issues arise.
Those are solid points. Yuri, what is your personal favorite CMS?
That depends on the project. For quick, simple sites, I'll go with Wix. For something more robust, WordPress all the way.
And for me, I would go with whatever keeps the website from tracing priorities right.
Wise word change. Yuri, what should developers or users consider when choosing a CMS like Wix?
Great question. Key factors include, firstly, ease of use. Is it beginner friendly? Second, customizability. Can you personalize it to meet your needs? Thirdly, cost. Does it fit your budget? And lastly, the SEO features. Does it help improve your site's visibility? For Wix, its simplicity makes it ideal for small business and individual.
And what about challenges for LMS like Coursera?
Challenge include high competition from other platforms, the need for constant course updates, and issues with learner engagement.
Sounds like keeping students awake in class is a universal struggle, online or offline.
Let's talk numbers. How do Coursera and Wix stand out in the market?
Coursera has over 100 million registered learners and partnerships with 275 plus universities and institutions worldwide. It's one of the biggest players in the LMS market. Wix, on the other hand, powers over 200 million websites globally. It's known for its versatility, especially among small businesses and personal use.
So, basically, Coursera is the Harvard of online learning, and Wix is like the IKEA of website building, simple, stylish, and effective.
Alright, as we wrap up, what are your final thoughts on Coursera and Wix?
Both platforms are leaders in their domains. Coursera is perfect for accessible, high-quality education, while Wix makes website creation a breeze for everyone.
And let's not forget, they both make life easier. Coursera saved you a commute to class, and Wix saved you from learning HTML. Win-win.
Absolutely. Thank you, Yuri and Shane, for your insight, and thank you, listeners, for joining us on Digital Insights. See you next time.